Hey everybody, you know what's here. I'm back again. And yeah. So we was about to call the next star of the show. Hey. But we were just at Crazy God's house. It was so awesome to meet him. Even though he's my friend. Yeah, I met Crazy God and so today I'm gonna be doing my stuffed animal collection because I have a whole collection. And after I'll do a cleaning room and then I'll do a tour. So this is my dad's room. So peace out, Dad. And if Dad, you see this, remember, you are buying the pool today or tomorrow, and make sure to buy me my food, please. Because I do not know how to swim. I'm trying to be honest. So yeah, I do not know how to swim. So I'm really bored, and I just wanted to do a video because I was like, I was so tired last night. I was gonna do the 24-hour challenge, but I was so tired, so I couldn't do it. So maybe if you guys comment down below, you might get to see one of your ideas in my video. So yeah, I'm looking forward to telling my mom I want an American Girl doll or a Cabbage Patch Kids doll because they're awesome. And so I might not film at. I am gonna film at the party. I'm going to a birthday party. Um, Somebody have a animal collection. I had a crazy dream. I had a crazy dream that I cut it off my teddy bear's hair, and I try to make this. Cause I watched a video, a tutorial on how to make a boss baby, but I'll explain that to different video. But let's get to it. I'm just gonna do this in background. Okay, we're back. Whatever. So we'll start with this first one, and I named not all, but I named some. Sorry for your background noises. So, this is Monique's Christmas edition teddy bear. So the name is pretty long, and he's very soft. Next is this Lala Lucy doll. Well, stuffed animal. Don't know where her clothes are, but I'm pretty sure I will get it soon. And this pretty much is Ava. And this is her twin sister Aiden. And the hair, sorry if the hair is not showing up well. This one is just not showing up well. Or this one. It's like a really light purple, like a violet color on the camera, but whatever. Next we have is this stuffed animal. And comment down below what it should this Wells Fargo or should be named. Like I need a name for him. I keep on forgetting which name I choose, and I need a permanent name. So hope you guys comment down below a name for Horsey. I might do a part 2 because this video is starting to be fun. So it's gonna do. I'm almost finished. I'll just finish it. Then is this lamb. It's very awesome and soft. Next we have this honey girl doll. I don't know. This is that there. I think I see something. Next is this emoji pillow thing. And guess what? Guys, I bought this from Walmart. And this shows up blue, but it's actually purple. Next is this minion from Crazy God. Slash, I'm not gonna say his real name, but you know, Crazy God, I give a big shout out to him because he loves to be kind, and yeah. And Crazy God, I give a big shout out for you to make another video. So go subscribe to his YouTube channel because he's a very awesome kid and very awesome. Yeah. This is the minion Bob. I already know its name by heart. Then we have Henry. So this is Henry. Then we have Darcy. Then we have this prayer. One that my dad bought. It says, "Try me." I think that's one more. Sorry guys for just leaving you guys there, but I have this monkey. Oh, this monkey name is Blue. BLU, not the U. So yeah, this is. Comment down below for this one. Think of Patricia. But so you guys comment down below, and I'll try to get more stuffed animals for me to film part 2. But thanks you guys for watching, and I'm about to film another video because I'm really bored right now, and I don't want to. Oh, sorry, that was my sister. Sorry, so bad. This is so bye, guys.